Hello, I'm Amiga. And I am a PC.
My interests are World War II combat, karaoke, and tackle football.
I'm just as cute as a button.
Well, I'm educated and worldly. But if you're just looking to have a good time, good luck on figuring out which buttons of mine to push. But I'm multi-layered, well-rounded for multiple players, and ready to rule your life with all my multi-applications and multi-ambitions. I am large and in charge. Good things cost good money.
I'm fun.
Have you ever even heard of the Blu-ray? It's the future! High definition, a viewing experience like you've never seen. Ugh!
See you soon.